A car accident can change your life in just a matter of seconds. Even a low-speed collision can cause injuries that don't show up right away. These injuries will fly under the radar, become a bigger issue down the road. Auto-related personal injuries include any physical damage caused by a motor vehicle collision. When two objects collide, the total force of that impact can be significant. A typical car accident of 30 miles per hour can create 10 to 20 Gs, meaning the body experiences 10 to 20 times the force of gravity. The human body isn't built to absorb that sudden deceleration. The most common injury is a rear-end collision. In this situation, we see the body in a neutral position initially, and then within 50 milliseconds of impact, the head and neck move backwards while the torso and trunk get pushed forwards. Right after the collision, your body goes into survival mode. This is sympathetic dominance, where you release adrenaline and endorphins. These natural chemicals are designed to protect your body in moments of danger. That is why 7 to 10 days after the initial collision, people start to feel the real effects of the pain that came out of nowhere. Get checked by a healthcare professional as soon as possible. Don't wait for the pain to set in. The longer you wait, the harder it is for you to get better. After a car accident, your body goes through more than you can realize. Even if you feel fine, hidden injuries can surface days later. That's why our team at Freeform Chiropractic focuses on post-accident recovery. We're here to help you heal naturally, rebuild your strength, and live life free from pain. Schedule your exam today. The sooner you start care, the sooner you heal and get back to living life free. At Freeform Chiropractic, we help people live free. Call today or book online to start your path to recovery.